Oh well, here's what you got to do, YouTube, to change this gas shock on the seat. You got to take this whole thing apart. It's really not that bad. It just got to finagle it around, and it's just push pins, a couple star screws. But let me show you something here. Here's the one that come off. Let me see if I can show you this. Look how weak that is. You could just push it down. So weak. This is the one that come off. It's like 15 pounds. Here's the new one. I can't even push it. And I got the new one on the seat. Look how it holds up the seat. That seat just fell. I had to stick a foam koozie underneath there to hold the seat up just so I can get gas. But these things are just weak as hell. Look at that. Terrible. These things are awful. And this one I can't even push. So this one I'm going to put on the tour pack as soon as I put this back together. But these things are fantastic. These are the ones, I'll send you a part number if you're interested. I think I found them on Sports Shooter, and the guy said they fit perfectly, and they do. So now this thing will raise up, and I can put gas in my Spyder now without opening up the tour pack and put the koozie underneath there. So the next thing I'm going to do is put this back together and take the I'll have to take the back seat off and do that next, but I'll put this one back together. But look at this, and here's another thing I wanted to look at too. Look how good this looks here. Look how good this thing looks. It's not rusty, it's not bad, it looks great. And here's how you get it that other filter at about 100,000 miles.